Good evening, traders. I hope everyone was in green. It was a tough day. Personally, I saw trades hitting stop loss and trades behaving in a very weird manner, right? The quantity was less today, and in fact, if you see, the stop losses were also very small. The reason is very simple, right? You have an RBI policy announcement on the day of expiry. The VIX is at very low levels, right? At low levels, the VIX will kind of play with traders like this, the way it did in the morning with us, right? You could see that the bank Nifty was falling, the put premiums were not increasing, the CE premiums were not melting. The problem was in the next round after 12:30, right? As soon as the bank Nifty premiums, the bank Nifty started rising, the call premiums were not increasing. So it was trapping people both the sides. At the fall, put premiums were not rising. At the rise, CE premiums, because they were not falling earlier, were not rising. Now let's look at it through the VIX, right? It's a very interesting chart on the VIX. If you guys see, right, forget this freak candle. As soon as bank Nifty started falling, the VIX started falling. As soon as the bank Nifty started rising, VIX started rising. This is typically very, very consistent during event. In fact, tomorrow don't be surprised if the VIX goes above 11.8. This rise in VIX cannot be correlated to a fall in indices. The reason is there is volatility in the index because of an event, not because of a panic, right? Not because of a panic. And that is where many traders today got trapped. We got trapped, but then we scaled out. I was very clear, do not short the market, put premiums are not rising. And it vindicated my stance in the last hour, right? Where it gave a good movement to us on the call side, right? Personally, for us, mentees made fantastic money. They just followed our view and they made good money, and that is a good thing for us. They are gradually starting to trade. In fact, couple of them have shared a good gold trade also, which has made good money for them as well as us, right? Now coming to the market tomorrow, right? How do we trade this market, right? And I will cover both Nifty and Bank Nifty in a single video today, so that people wanted to do it in one video because that way they don't tend to lose a lot of time, right? If they were to uh, watch both the analysis together, right? So we thought let's do it for them, right? So let's start with Bank Nifty, right? A very interesting chart on the cards, right? Bank Nifty actually, if you see, right, is slowly in a grinding manner, right, going towards all-time high. Tomorrow's news could be a stimulus for it to break the highs. Personally, will I chase that movement? I don't think so. The reason is very simple, right? It is event-driven stimulus. I would let the event settle, right? Now, tomorrow there are two important things. At 10 o'clock, there will be a rate announcement, and after that, RBI governor will come. He will give the rationale and he will explain the various things. His commentary, forward looking, right, is the most important thing tomorrow, right? And on that, market could react. So, personally, I would not be available in the first half. 11:30 onwards, I'll try and see if I can give a trade, right? I would say morning trades, right? Avoid morning trades, avoid, right? My clear message is morning trades, avoid. Now these four candles, right, are the weirdest candles that you can see near the all-time highs, right? Every day gap up, down, gap up, down. Today also gap up, down, right? Bank Nifty, many, see, there are many interpretations to this, right? Yesterday I had said that this is my long was here, right? If you guys remember, I had suggested a long somewhere here, 15-minute charted, and you can go and check that in my yesterday's daily analysis video. I said this is a good long. In fact, in a daily chart it is different, but in a 15-minute chart, right? It's exactly taken support here. It's exactly taken a support here, right? And when this low was not taken out, I was not interested in going for the short trades, right? From here, market reversed. With reversal, it gave 60, 70 points on the call side, but the movement has been very restricted, right? Now, people are seeing various things on social media and they feel that these are the right drawings, right? Okay, from a chart pattern standpoint, right? I will connect these swings, right? This is actually a symmetrical triangle, right? Many people are suggesting this to be a low, Guys, why will you take this low and say it's an ascending triangle? You have a swing high. This has gap down. Why are you forgetting this gap? If this breaks, right, are you confident it will not stop at 44 432? No. Wait, guys, at this level you can buy. ब्रेकआउट के बाद आपको यहाँ पे रुकना है 44 332 के ऊपर. ये 44 426 तक जा सकता है. ये मूवमेंट बहुत ही फास्ट होगा, राइट. ये मूवमेंट बहुत ही फास्ट होगा. So wait and watch, guys. Tomorrow, right? Personally, I am best place to buy, right? Will come here. If there is a gap down, best place to buy will be here. If I can see a very confident trade in the morning, I would give it. Personally, I am not shorting the market till some time, right? I will not short the market. We need a clear cut closure with some solid candles, right? Above now again throughout the expiry, right? Tomorrow is also an expiry. If Bank Nifty actually opens near 44 452 and or rather after the RBI meet, right, between 12:30 and 2, if it consolidates between 44 432 and 492, you could see 44 500 put writers, call writers running for cover. That short covering rally could give you a good zero hero trade, right? Personally, if market is upside, I would look at zero hero trade on the call side, right, not on the put side. In case there is any change, I will update you guys, right? Looking at the spot chart, this is gradually going upwards. Above this point, I am looking at a 80-90 point trade. If it happens in the morning, I will take it and then I will not worry about other things. Now let's go to the component chart, right? Clearly HDFC Bank took a support and is rising above 1616. It is bullish, right? This component is looking neutral to bullish. Gap down opening, again it can take one round of support. ICICI again took a support exactly at 933. Now in between, right, 939 to 946, right? I said yesterday also it's in a no trading zone. We maintain the same view, neutral, completely neutral, right? Axis Bank surprised me today. The reason it surprised me was in the morning I was expecting this level once taken out to go up. This came down and retested, right? For tomorrow now this doji, right, anything below this 968 makes it short term bearish. Short term as in for a couple of days there would be some profit booking. This is a no trading zone. If it actually opens near 969, makes a bullish candle, then I'm trading it for 10 points up. Otherwise, I will wait for a breakout. But Axis Bank, right, just because of doji, it is causing some concerns in my mind. Kotak was a good candidate in the morning, right? So if you see Kotak, right, let me go to 15 minutes chart, right? Kotak actually made a solid basing of the candles above this level, right? 1949, it can shoot up by 20-25 points, right? Kotak, keep your eyes, it's trading near its support. I am personally looking at Kotak actually for going long. SBIN, again we were neutral, right? SBIN has created doji, but it's at support at this time, right? I'm not expecting any move, right? IndusInd, another bank which is bullish along with the Axis Bank, right? Again, right now no movement, but typically I am looking at this to be a good pattern where, see again, sorry, let me just delete this. This has actually created a structure similar to Bank Nifty, right? This has created a structure similar to Bank Nifty. It is volatility contraction above 1314, it will go rocket up. Below 13.5, it will rocket downside, right? So in my mind, IndusInd, so all the bank stocks, right, are saying that there could be a bull movement, right? Now let's look at the call option and put option charts, right? So here, right, it has to open between 310 and 340, consolidate and then rocket upside. 370 and 397 are the targets. Tomorrow keep targets small, guys, at least in the first half. This was a put selling trade, right, that I had given to my batch mentees, right, and it worked very well. But if you see, right, this one is at a good support. It's at a good support, right? Now if it opens between 287 and 260, it could rocket upside till 340. The idea is in the first 5 minutes, right, it should open here and then rocket upside, right? By any chance, if RBI governor comes up with a negative news, right, and it consolidates after event here, this zero hero, not a zero hero, but this trade, right, could go all the way up till 393. Keep your eyes open, guys. For tomorrow, stay neutral. Do not try to be very funky in the market, right? This is all about Nifty. We will Nifty Bank. Now we'll get into Nifty 50. Very interesting chart. I said don't short Nifty 50. It is getting ready for all-time highs. If you see at the swing high, it did a good basing, broke out, retested, and then zoomed up. Many people who watched our analysis on Nifty have made fabulous money on their, one of our mentee made close to a lakh, right? Just by following this view. So guys, again, if you're not watching our Nifty videos, please try to plan your trades using the Nifty analysis that we do. Nifty even for tomorrow, right? And now I will just go to a daily chart. Nifty for tomorrow now is looking good for an all-time high, right? There is a gap here, so 18730 and 18790, let it consolidate, then it can straight rocket up by 100 to 150 points. I said that Nifty is looking good for all-time high. I had said it yesterday too. I am continuing to say that Nifty has clearly given a breakout above this level, right? For tomorrow, if it actually opens near 18670, let it form a bullish candle and then trade it for the targets of 18760 and 790, right? After that, if it consolidates, it can go all the way up to 18890, right? Now let's look at Nifty components. Clearly bank Nifty was struggling, but Nifty IT, and we have been seeing this, right? Nasdaq is firing, Nifty IT at some stage could start firing. All the components in Nifty, right, were good, right? So Nifty IT, the defensives in FMCG, pharma, healthcare, right, again went well. Interestingly, because of budget, Nifty realty also shot up. So today, right, if you understand, before budget, right, realty and FMCG both shot up. If you see, there is a good movement. Nifty metal, purely because of the China effect, right, has been continuing to go up, right? Now importantly, right, for me, Nifty IT is looking good to retest 29,000 and 29,220 levels, right? So try to just wait out and take these trades. I am personally seeing a good movement. So if you see here from here, it's giving a good and consistent movement upside, right? Nifty IT and bank Nifty both could fire tomorrow if they go hand in hand. The other two stocks that I would like to look at, right, from a component standpoint, is Reliance. Very good price action. Yesterday we said Reliance and HDFC both could fire. Reliance has fired now above 2500, right? Reliance is looking good for 2520 friends. So Reliance, right, we had said can take a support and fire. This has done good. Tomorrow also the same story could continue. HDFC, I had clearly said it is trading near the support. Let it give you a bullish candle, again similar to HDFC Bank and Reliance. This actually came down, took a support and rocketed up. The targets for HDFC, right, are these two lines. Given it's a blue chip, right, we don't expect tomorrow to be a day when this could be hit, but you have 20 point का space upside. आपके पास 20 point का space है. Please watch out, this could come, right? Tomorrow if it opens somewhere here 2646 to 2655, consolidates, then it could rocket upside. Nifty clearly is looking bullish, guys. In terms of the stocks, we had given Exide in the 15 minutes chart, right? I said avoid any gap up. This opened, took a support here, right, 210, and then it went up. It has neither hit the stop loss nor the target. Naukri did very interesting thing. Naukri, we had said you can buy it near the support, you get a bullish candle. From 4133 it has given 4195, right? It moved along with Nifty IT. Here definitely your targets have been hit, right? And Zydus Life, again, it was a gap up opening, and the entry points were here 514, 1 point. It's a loss trade. It did not hit the stop loss, but it's a loss trade. For tomorrow, right, interestingly, I want to look at three things, right? One is Torrent Pharma. So Torrent Pharma on a daily chart, right, is looking very good. Personally, if it comes near 1797, we want to buy it for the targets of 1844, or at breakout of 1813, take a 5-point stop loss and trail it, right? Trend, again, an interesting pattern. At the higher levels, it is consolidating. I am personally seeing breakout trade in this above 1608, go long on trend. Third one is Muthoot Finance. After a long consolidation, right? Do you see this pattern here? It's a clear cut cup and handle kind of pattern. Probably tomorrow may not activate, right? 1157, my first target is 1157, but I am seeing this one, right, gradually going up, right? Muthoot Finance, guys, from a swing trading standpoint, keep it in your radar. In future days, right, we'll see it at 12.12. So these are the three stocks for tomorrow, friends. Anyone who is not subscribed to our channel and is watching the video, please go ahead, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Keep the notifications on in case we are live. You would get to see it. Our videos also, we keep posting quality content. You can see it. If you know there are some members in your near circle, right, who are struggling in their trading journey and can benefit from the videos and the content that we post, please share our Telegram channel, which is there in the description box, along with the YouTube videos through which they can plan their trades. Telegram channel will give them trades. We are not a tip firm. Go through our disclaimer. It's for educational purpose only. People are making fantastic money because our calls are hitting at more than 75 to 80%. Risk reward is fantastic. Very small risk and good reward, right? So please refer people to join our channel and help them grow in their trading journey. There are some queries coming from people in terms of what do we do differently in our mentorship program. Friends, we generally teach setups in the live market. We sit with people and help them become confident by practicing the setups with them, right? So this is what we do in our mentoring programs. In case you need more detail, right, please write to our support ID. Support ID is given in the description box. It's at the rate live support CTI, right? First batch has been doing well. People have started getting consistent. At least whenever they are following setup, they are making good profits, and we still have 3 weeks with them, right, where we'll work with them and fine tune their setups. We started teaching them advanced price action, and some of them have started using one or two of the advanced price action setups. So friends, this is it. I've tried to cram everything into one video, right? I hope you guys like the format of bringing everything together. I'll try to reduce the content to make it in small bites so that everyone can do it, right? So that's it from us. Tomorrow is a dangerous day. It's an expiry and RBI commentary. Please, guys, do not overextend your trades. Quantity very less, risk to be managed. It's okay if you don't make money. Don't try to double, triple your capital tomorrow. It could become zero. All the best for RBI commentary and the weekly expiry, right? This is Catalyst Trading Institute signing off from another analysis. Please send us your feedback and like in case you appreciate the content that we are posting. Thank you, guys.